This is really cool, by the way.
Thank you.
I do like it.
Cut that out today.
Nice. All right, so this is scene 5. We're going to learn how to fillet. Now, it's not fillet, something that you eat, which is delicious and love. It's called a fillet, okay? Now, here's your activity. This was shared within your Google Drive, and all you have to do is just download it, and then CAD will pull it right up. If it does not look like this, okay, this is very important. Just stop and call me over or call Mr. Out over. You have to have an angle with a point, not an angle that's been chamfered. This one should not look like that one, okay? They all have to be at that angle. Now, the fillet, what it does, you'll see right here that it creates this little radius to an object. So you have a point right here, and then you use a fillet tool to create a radius. So this one says create, because it's missing an E, create a fillet with a radius of 0.5. So right up in the top part under modify, you have this spot right here. If you put your cursor over and just keep it there, it'll give you examples, and it'll also give you step-by-step directions of how to do it. So don't call me or Mr. Outover when you're just sitting there, I can't do my drawing because I don't know what to do. Okay? The program helps you do everything that you need to do. So you're going to click Fillet. Now when you click any tool in CAD on your command line, which is usually down here, but I put it up here just for you guys, it says select first object or you can click the radius. Right here it says create a fillet with a radius. See that? So click radius. And then it says, okay, what's your radius that you want to do? Well, 0.5. So just type in 0.5 on your keyboard. Enter. When you do that, you get this square box. What I want you to do is left click your top line, and then left click your bottom line. See, I haven't even clicked yet, and it's showing me what it's going to do. Okay? So I've just created a fillet with a radius of 0.5. Go down to your next one. This one says 1/4 of an inch. If you have trouble typing in 1/4 of an inch, try typing 0.25. Go to my fillet, radius, 0.25, enter. Left click, left click. You'll notice that's a smaller radius. It matches that one. Perfect. This one says create a radius of 1.25. Fillet, radius, 1.25. Enter. Click, click. And that is complete. Remember, escape is your best friend. You can see that command escape, everything's been canceled. Okay, before I set you off to do everything else on your own, what I want you to do is try to create a chamfer of 0.5. Right up where fillet was, there's a little pull down tab. Click that pull down tab and it gives you another option. You'll notice that a fillet has a round over radius, but a chamfer has a straight shoring angle taken off of it. Click chamfer. Now this one says chamfer, select first line, or this one says distance of 0.5. Click distance. Then type in 0.5, enter. Enter. You click the line, click the line. Now, I want you guys to go off on your own and try to finish the rest of these. If you have any problems, just call Mr. Allard or myself over.